Okay, this is going to be another one of our tutorial videos on BIM 360. This one is going to pertain to RFIs, specifically how to create an RFI in the field, obviously off of your iPad. So I'll go back on this particular video and go back to the very beginning. If you've not signed in yet, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. If you're signed in already, then you don't have to do that. Obviously, you can just go and get to where you need to be and go from there. Give me just another minute or two here. Let me get signed in. Your project screen will come up. Again, we're looking for this particular screen right here. Let me get my mouse operating. This is the screen we're looking for. FPI BIM 360 training project. Touch that. The project will load. And once it gets loaded up, you'll come to your document screen where you got the option of plans or project files. Again, we're on Pathway Church. You don't see on this screen anywhere that you can directly go to find an RFI. Your page may be configured just a little bit different, so all the tabs down here on the bottom are going to be where you need to look. If you don't see it in one of these 5 tabs right here, click the More button. You'll see RFI and Submittals. Click the RFI tab and it will take you to RFIs. This way you can see the RFIs that have been created, look through them if you need to, go from there. Let's go back to the document file for just a second. Let's open up plans, because obviously we are going to create an RFI from a particular plan, because you've noticed something different between plan and actual. Let's go back to our architectural plan for just a minute. Make this easy. Let's go to the mezzanine floor finish plan A2.3. We'll click on that and open it up. And we'll just make something up here once this plan loads. My internet is a little bit slow today for some reason. So let's just go to this particular area up here. And to make this simple, we'll look at this stair B area as an example. On the plan, it shows stair B. In actual, we don't show any stairs right here. We haven't prepped for any stairs. We don't know anything about stairs. We have no idea what's going on in this area. So somebody needs to ask the question, what is happening in this particular area? Because we are not prepping for stairs. So we're going to create an RFI and ask the question. We'll go right down here to the lower section where it says RFI. Click on it and you'll notice it says tap to place a new RFI. So what it's asking us to do is locate the specific place where we have a problem or we've noticed a question that we have. So we're going to just put it right here. You'll notice new RFI tab pops up. The status is open. It's asking for title, questions, suggested answers, so on and so forth. So we'll need to answer all of these things to the best of our ability just to make sure we get enough information out there. So we'll call this stair B area on stage. Stage. And let's ask the question. We need to create some kind of a question that we're asking on this RFI. So, are there stairs in this area? I need to learn how to spell today. Suggested answer would be, we have not prepped for stairs do we install or eliminate? We're going to assign this to someone or something. In this case, we're going to assign it to Sterling, since Sterling is our project manager, and let Sterling find out the answer for us. So we'll click on Sterling's name and you'll see it popped up right here. The location details, we've already pinned it to the plan, so it's already going to show up, but we can put just something very simple if we want to. Stage area right side, and that'll give a basic indication of where that's going to be. We need to schedule a due date. We do not want to leave this open, because if you're creating an RFI, you need an answer fairly quickly on the information that you're looking for. So if we're creating it today, let's say we need an answer by Tuesday the 25th. So we'll click that. You'll see it pops up down here, August 25th. And we've got co-reviewers. If we need somebody else to take a look at this, we can do that. So let's just go ahead and put Tark's name down. Tark is another one of our project managers, so we'll add him to the list. We have a distribution list, so we want to try and get as many people involved in this as possible. We want to make sure that Sterling and Tark are not Sterling Ross, Sterling Barnett. Sterling Barnett and Tark are on the distribution list. So we'll add them to that. And I believe that's it, unless we need to add a picture or take a picture or whatever we need to do. So let's just go here and we'll make this the picture. We'll call it done. And obviously this is not it, but we're going to use it anyway. We've attached a picture to it. So all of our questions have been answered at this point. We're going to create it, and that's all you have to do. As you look, as that tab goes away, you'll see there's a square right here, which is right there where stair B, where we put that RFI. So if you look up here in the right-hand corner where the three bars are, you'll see we just created this RFI. If you click on this tab, it'll actually bring the RFIs over so you can open them up. If you click on this one time or put your finger on it, everything that you just created is going to be right over here. And we can do a lot of things. We can see the activity that was here. We can make comments. Sterling can make comments. He can add pictures. We can also change the status on this. So a lot of things can take place on this particular side of the equation. We'll go ahead and retract that, get out of that. Let's go ahead and back out, and we'll go all the way back out to our documents page right here. Oh, right down here on the bottom tab again, if you'll look at these and open up RFI again, you'll see RFI number 3, stair B area on stage. This is the one that we just created. You'll see that it's open. We've got a couple of others that we've played with here that are closed out. So this is how you can review, or somebody else can review, the open RFIs on this project. That's about it. Once you create an RFI, it will go to Sterling. Sterling will pick it up and run with it and get an answer back, hopefully by the due date, and away you go. That's about it. Thanks, as always. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.